Heat cooking oil on medium to low flame and add mixed vegetables, whatever you like. Saute and cover the lid on medium to low flame for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and stir with spatula gently and smoothly. At this stage, when vegetables soften, add chicken powder, crushed black pepper, and stir softly. Again, cover the lid for 2 minutes. Beat 3 eggs with fork. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Heat the 1 teaspoon of butter. Spread beaten eggs on heated oil. Keep cooked vegetables on this side and roll it. Change roll sides for 1 minute on low flame. Wrap is ready.